Moana was born on the idyllic island of Motunui, a daughter to Chief Tui and Sina. Guided by the sea and the ancient traditions of her people, Moana's boundless curiosity was apparent as she wandered the coastline as a child, drawn to the ocean's shimmering embrace even when her father warned her to stay close to the safety of the island. One day, trouble arrives. Motunui's coconuts blacken and the fishing yields dwindle. Grandma Tala, Moana's eccentric and wise grandmother, secretly reveals the island's story, how the goddess Te Fiti shaped the islands until the demigod Maui stole her heart, unleashing darkness upon the world. Tala trusts Moana with an ancient stone, the lost heart of Te Fiti, encouraging her to follow the call of the ocean and restore balance. When Tala's health fails, Moana finally decides to heed her grandmother's advice and set sail on a makeshift canoe, venturing alone into the open sea. She is tested by the elements, facing storms and self-doubt. The ocean itself guides her, at times playful and protective. On a remote island, Moana encounters Maui, brash and prideful. He refuses at first to help, but Moana's persistence and quick wit gradually win his respect. Together, they must retrieve Maui's magical fishhook from the giant, greedy crab Tamatoa in Lolotai. Amid clever tricks and narrow escapes, Moana recovers the lost artifact, and the duo sail into dangerous waters. As they approach Te Fiti, they encounter the fiery lava monster, Te Ka. Maui's fishhook shatters, his confidence falters, and he briefly abandons Moana. Alone, she discovers her true strength lies not in someone else's magic, but within herself. She repairs her canoe and faces Te Ka, realizing the monstrous spirit is Te Fiti herself, transformed by loss. With empathy, Moana returns the heart, calming Te Ka and restoring her to Te Fiti. Life blooms across the ocean once more. Maui, humbled and grateful, fixes the fishhook and thanks Moana for teaching him the value of acceptance. Moana voyages home, triumphant, embraced as a wayfinder and future chief. She inspires her people to sail again, reclaiming their heritage as intrepid explorers. Moana's courage heals her island, teaches respect for the past, and ensures hope for the future. Her legacy becomes a legend, Moana, the voyager who answered the ocean's call.